Malaria Rapid Test. It diagnoses the malaria parasite antigens in 20-minute test. Malaria kit test. It has 3 windows: C, PF, PV and sample and dimer. Check the kit, Intactness, date of expiry and obviously the general instruction. Read properly and see the interpretation. In interpretation there are 4 or 5 square is present, so read it carefully. Open the kit and carefully kept it in a flat surface. In the kit there is a dropper. With this dropper we have to fill the sample window with 5 microliter of blood. Take 5 microliter of blood and give it to the S window. Then take the diluent. This diluent is used for malaria rapid test, PF and PV অর্থাৎ Plasmodium vivax and falciparum test. Give this diluent 4 drop in the diluent or D window. The result should be interpreted within 20 minutes. Red mark only in C, then it is negative. Only PF and PV it is invalid. If PF or PV and C, then it is positive.